All right, so we're working with a GE profile gas dryer. So all appliances come from the manufacturer set up to function off of natural gas. However, we have propane here. They give you a conversion kit to make it function off of propane. So those of you who don't know, natural gas does not burn as hot as propane. So you need less propane than you do natural gas. The combustibility is different. Anyway, look at what I've got going on here. You got to take, there's a screw cap here that you have to take out. Take that screw out. They're all 1/4 inch drive. All right, so that helps. Take this thing out. Take the whole front panel out, which is over there. Brand new unit. You can see the plastic. All right. Then you get down here, and this is where your gas comes in. Well, it comes in on the back there. You're not gonna be able to see it. See this black pipe? Yeah, all right. So that goes to the back of the unit. That's where you connect your gas line to. This is your regulator and solenoid and on-off stuff. Everything is here. So in the great wisdom of designing this fantastic machine, they put the orifice on the back of this. It's on the back side. So in order to get to it, well, what do? The instructions tell you to take off the, I don't know what it's called. I'll put it in the description. But anyway, they take you to take this thing off that's in the back of this. It's on the back side. Try to get a flashlight here. Jesus. You're not even gonna be able to see it. It's back there somewhere. Anyway, it's attached to this. Oh yeah, here you go. It's right there. This thing. Screwdriver, god damn it. So they tell you to take this off. Focus. Anyway, take that thing off. There are 3 1/4 inch screws like this that hold that down from the top. Well, you have the drum right there, so you know you might want to get a deep wall 1/4 inch drive socket, but this is a 1/4 inch hex head screw. Let's call it machine screw, sheet metal screw. Anyway, don't do all that. This is stupid. It's so stupid the way they tell you how to do this. And that's what they tell you to do in the instructions. Don't do it, all right? The way I found to do it is take that screw out, take that screw out. There's another screw on the outside of the machine on the back that holds the other end of this pipe. Take that out. Pull this whole assembly out. Disconnect the wires. You know, that's not a big deal. Take that out. And you have complete access to everything that you have to do. Doing it inside here is a pain, and you're not gonna have a lot of space. So I hope this helps. But yeah, the engineers at GE, figure out a better way to do this.